Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll lead you over to the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Oneplus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes, this is a question which has been requested by plenty of subscribers asking me to make a video on this Oneplus Nord 2. The Oneplus Nord 2 just received the software update on the August 3rd, as you can see. So I did download the software update, and the update size is about close to 172 MB as well, as you can see friends, exactly. So in this update they did include the improved system stability, but they did not mention anything more than that. Only one line is there about the system, and remaining rest of the features got about the camera. But let's see what will be the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay settings. Is the 90 FPS got updated or not? So this is a question which has been raised by plenty of subscribers. So they did ask me, can you please demonstrate a small video demonstrating what are the default settings right now you are getting after the recent software update. So that's what I am trying to exactly show you friends after the recent software update. First let me just show you what kind of settings I'm trying to use in the display, so you know exactly I'm trying to use a 90 Hz. Let's go to the more option. Yes, 90 Hz is checked in, as you can see exactly. Let me just start the game and show you the results. So right now, as you can see friends, there is no 90 Hz update. It did not come in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. No, it did not come right now, as you can see. So balanced in Ultra, HD and Ultra. I think maybe this might be related to Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So maybe with the next version, we might get that kind of huge improvement in terms of the settings. So that is what we did see in the Realme X1 Max as well. In the Realme X1 Max, same situation used to be the Realme X1 Max, but with the PUBG version 1.5, everything got changed. So that's what I was expecting friends. Maybe Battlegrounds mobile version 1.6, it might get changed. Maybe with the PUBG version 1.6, something like that, it might get changed. So we need to see. So we need to wait. I think it will take some time to come to this phone, OnePlus Nord 2. Even a lot of Snapdragon processors are also actually waiting for the 90 FPS update. Let's see friends when with this OnePlus Nord 2 will get the 90 FPS update. And meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below what are other details you want me to test on the OnePlus Nord 2. So definitely I'll be trying to look after the comments. I may not be able to reply to you, but definitely I'll try to read the comments and I'll try to post the video as soon as possible. So in case if you have any other doubts, so don't forget to follow one only playlist. So not my channel, just follow the playlist. That will give you the clear idea about what is going on in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, just follow the playlist and you can understand it better. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.